Hello guys, I am here at Provident Botanica today, which is in Shokya Road, Bangalore. Let's check whether it is good for investment or not. So this is the walkthrough video provided by Provident. Basically यहाँ पे वो लोग दिखाने वाले हैं कि how their project is going to look alike. After 3 years or after completion they are handing it over. This is how it will look. So have a look at it and decide whether you should go with this property or not. Which is tower number 1? This one.
This is tower 1.
Okay.
Tower 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9.
Okay.
As I mentioned, 1 to 7 we don't have much inventories. Hardly, we left out with 10 or 12 apartments, that's it.
The total land parcel is 17 acres. In this 17 acres, they are constructing just 9 towers, which has in total of 1725 units. So the open area is going to be huge. क्योंकि यहाँ पे बहुत कम यूनिट्स हैं in such a huge land parcel. Tower 8 and 9 they have opened like 3 months before only, so they have few units left. But in tower 1 to 7 they have in total of like 10 to 12 units left. 8th and 9th tower का प्राइस थोड़ा ज़्यादा है बिकॉज दे आर प्रोवाइडिंग हियर फैसिलिटीज़ लाइक होम ऑटोमेशन, डिजिटल लॉक, 2 ACs. सो ये कुछ एक्स्ट्रा प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं तो थोड़ा प्राइस इनका 8th और 9th टावर का ज़्यादा है. but not much difference. I think 4-5 lakhs or maybe 6 lakhs max. Tower number 1 to 7 is G plus 18 floors, if I'm not wrong. But tower number 8 and 9, it has 24 floors. And in tower 8 and 9, the number of units per floor is less as compared to 1 to 7. If you are looking for some greenery view, some forest view, then you can opt for or go for tower number 8 and 9, some units there. Tower 4, 5, 6 also has good view of forest or greenery, but there they have 2 BHKs and mostly sold out. So the other option left is tower 8 and 9 if you are looking for outside view. Along with the miniature, they are showcasing here what are all the products or the material they would be using of the railing, each and everything like floor, fittings, everything. So it is good for us as an end user or the customer. We know what material they are going to use in the flat or the apartment we are finally going to purchase. Here you can find what are you getting inside your bathroom, like the plumbing material, the floor tiles, fittings, everything. So it is good actually to know what you would be getting at the end. And it's completely My One construction. They are giving the position in 2028 as per RERA, but they are targeting to complete it by 27 September somewhere. This is how your main door is going to be. So now we are going to have a look at the model flat of Provident Botanico.
You have a foyer which blocks, which keep you have living, dining, up to correct. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and there is 3, 4 there. 23, yes. No, 20. And this is approximately 11. Correct, sir. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, sir, I would say. That tile can fit in there, that portion.
कितना हुआ डायमेंशन इसका हॉल और
इसका 20 हुआ, इसका 12 हुआ. almost.
20 by 12.
हाँ. Then you have a
Open kitchen.
Very nice.
Kitchen is spacious.
But you don't have.
I think we can customize it. If we want the utility, we can have a separate section here. Otherwise, this is how they are going to provide. But no doubt the kitchen size is really very impressive. Very good size.
As you enter, you are going to get the foyer area. Every apartment
Balcony.
is provided.
Again, the balcony size is good.
This is 16.5 by 10, 11 square.
Here comes the first bedroom, which is also a master bedroom. This is bathroom with good floor tiles and the fittings. It is not very big, but yeah, it is good. This is the room with tuck-in wardrobe and a balcony. That's why it is a master bedroom. But they have given balcony for the namesake, because it is not very big. It is just for one, maximum two, that too मतलब मुश्किल से. So yeah, ये रहा इनका पहला रूम. बाथरूम मुझे अच्छा लगा. सो ये हो गया, ये मास्टर बेडरूम तो हो गया. लेट्स चेक आउट द अनदर बेडरूम. दिस इज़ द सेकेंड बेडरूम. It is 10 by 10 size, I think, and the full length window. Upper window is sliding.
Your second bedroom, 10 by 10 dimension, and the best part here is you do have a duct-in wardrobe. A dedicated
What
space
would
for
be the
your
dimension for this room?
wardrobe. 10 by 10.
10 by 10, kind of
Yes.
kids bedroom.
This is a kid's bedroom actually. This is a duct-in wardrobe which you'll be having in kids' bedroom for a 3BH.
This is common washroom.
That's very true.
This is common washroom, right?
Yes.
This washroom size is smaller than That
it's
master
almost the
bedroom.
same. The only main difference where you can find out between that one and this one is the tails fitting on the wall. So then you do have a white color, here you do have a grey one.
Okay, and this is third.
This is 10 by 11.7, almost 10 by 7 by 11, almost 11 by 11 dimension of the guest bedroom you will be having. So here also you do have a full length window. So this will be the attached toilet to this one. The best part here, if you don't want to go with 3 BHK with 3 toilet, we do have an option of the 3 BHK with 2 T as well.
Okay.
So it won't be
Okay.
there. So actually we have done this one, this is just the interior part. So the ceiling height will be 9.8.
9.8. That's a storage place. The older apartments have a cabinet on top, which are considered as storage place.
That is just 4 feet.
Almost 5 by 9.8 it's coming, sir.
It's 5.
हाँ, it's 5 more
And
than
this
4.
will be approximately 10 or 9.
Huh.
10 only, this.
Less than 10.
So this was the complete video of Provident Botanical. I shared with you each and every minute details, whether it's miniature or tower number 1 to 7 and 8, 9. What is the difference? Each and every details I've shared with you. I hope you liked it. Please share your views in the comment section, and if you liked my video, please like, share and subscribe. फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट व्लॉग में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर एंड या थैंक यू वंस अगेन फॉर वॉचिंग.